Now I will explain how to use modules with Arduinos. So this display is a module. It exists out of more components and it is conveniently placed on a PCB. With 2 data pins and power you can control more than 30 LEDs individually. Place it on your breadboard and connect the power supply to the right power lines and connect the data lines to pin 8 and 9. Now we are already done with the hardware preparations and we only have to write the code now. This module is more complex than any component we used before, so instead of writing how to control it ourselves, we are going to use a library. Libraries are pieces of code with certain functions, and there is one for this display. Luckily, Arduino also made finding libraries easy. Go to Sketch, and go to Libraries, and choose Library Manager. Now, this is some kind of marketplace for libraries, and our library we want to use is between them. The chip that controls the LEDs is a TM1637, TM1637. Look for the TM1637 and you will find the library. Select it and press install. Now, if you have a module and cannot find what library you need to use, just look on Google for your module and see if you can find a tutorial on it, on how to use it. Good, we have the library now in our Arduino IDE. Now go to Files and Examples and look for the Groove 4-digit display and select the number flow example. Do notice that the library we installed was called Groove 4-digit display. Those examples come with the library we just installed and work most of the times immediately. In our case, we have to change the pin numbers of our display to the pin numbers we attach the display to. Look in the code and change them. Here, you have to change them. Now upload it to your Uno. You will see a working display now. Easy, isn't it? Well, we actually don't really need this. We want to just show numbers. So now copy everything before the setup to your own code we made earlier. You don't have to copy the comments. Do the same for what's in the setup. We only need a little bit of code from the loop. We only want to display some numbers. If you look at the code, you can see that here the numbers are displayed. Just copy those 4 lines and place them in your loop, in the last if statement. They made a list disp array with 1 to 60 in it. We don't need this. We can just put some values in the display method, just like this. I also want it to be on for a second and go off again. To do that, just place these 2 lines behind it, here. Don't forget to upload the code to your Arduino. Now we're ready to test it. So let's test it. Use your Blinky key on the base station. Does it work? If not, try to download the code I provide in the link below.